Hello friends, today's topic is about high level of homocysteine increase risk of atherosclerosis as well as cardiovascular event. So first of all, homocysteine, that is one of the intermediate molecule of a sulfur containing amino acid metabolism, and its increased level that can lead to the atherosclerosis, and how it is occurring that we are going to discuss. So there are basic three reasons. First of all, that homocysteine that is interfered with the lysyl residue of the collagen tissue. So lysyl, that is lysine amino acid, which is present in this collagen fiber. And due to affection of this lysyl residue of the collagen tissue, collagen cross linking will be affected because this cross linking is occurring with the help of this lysine amino acid. So due to affection of this collagen fiber or collagen tissue, blood vessels are damaged because in the blood vessels this collagen fiber is present. For the strength of the blood vessels, this collagen fiber is needed, and because of this homocysteine, collagen fiber is affected, and that will lead to the affection of this or damage of the blood vessels. So that's one factor. Second thing, this homocysteine thiolactone is a highly reactive free radical, and which thiolate the LDL. So ultimately increased level of oxidized LDL is found, and this oxidized LDL, that is starting event of the atherosclerosis or the form cell development. So oxidized LDL level is increased, so that is also leading to the increased tendency for the atherosclerosis. So first reason, damage to the blood vessels. Second reason, that is increased level of oxidized LDL. Not only these two, one more most important factor of this homocysteine, it activates the Hegmann's factor, and this Hegmann's factor, that is one of the clotting factor, and that lead to the platelet aggregation. So wherever this homocysteine excessively is present, that will activate the Hegmann, and platelet aggregation or clot formation will be there. So these three things. First one, that is damage to the blood vessels. Second thing, increased level of oxidized LDH, so that will lead to the tendency for the atherosclerosis, and activation of Hegmann factor, that will lead to the aggregation of the platelet. So that all these together, that can lead to the atherosclerosis. So these three are the main reason for the atherosclerotic event with the increased level of homocysteine. So all these action of homocysteine increase risk of atherosclerosis as well as cardiovascular event. So you have to remember these three reasons for the homocysteine, and this particular factor is found especially in a younger age group. That is, a cardiac event is more in a younger age group if that homocysteine level is found to be elevated.